guys, 2235 today. We're exploring an old World War II bunker. Is it a World War II bunker?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm with my cousins. And I've been walking down here a lot, and there's some pretty messed up stuff. So I just decided to record it for once. So our flashlights aren't very good on our phones. So we'll just point it like the ground and at the places up. I'm not retarded. So that's the hall. That's the hallway. That's their face reveal. Oh God, it's so bright.
Face reveal, face reveal.
Let's go.
Let's go in this room first, and then we can head down the hallway. The hallway's.
Anything actually in this room?
Yeah, dude. There's nothing in this room. It's like the video quality is horrible though, because I'm recording on a potato.
Probably just
No, it's a bunker, bro. This is where they had the ammunition. Yeah, but there's like a prison room and stuff. I don't know if they like stayed there. Oh my God, we need another flashlight. You have to get so close to see anything.
Wait, where did you get?
Oh yeah, guys, there's also some pretty messed up writing on the wall the farther you get down into the tunnel.
All right, let's
Just
go.
letting these kids know. Oh, damn it, just tripped.
we should got teams with them.
Oh,
Fuck's that?
Oh shit! Run! Damn it! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, what did I fucking hit?
What the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
Oh shit. Yo, I'm not really down to go through there now.
Yeah, that's where I was up before they didn't let me though. And now they're not allowing us to go up again.
Good idea. I mean, it's funny.
Wait, now you're just up on top of that?
Yeah,
That's kind of dope.
but they didn't let us go up because we were with Toby. And for any of you I don't know, Toby is like a 6-year-old, right? 6?
Yo, what the fuck did that hit?
Yeah, I know. I kind of want to go find out. I actually forgot. I wanted to bring some markers. Wait, I hear something.
Car retard.
No, I hear something inside there.
Fuck.
Like, no joke. Guys, if we hit you, or if we hit any of your belongings, it was the tall kid, not me. And,
All kid red shirt.
yeah, tall kid, red shirt. Eat him, not us.
Yo, dude. Not really down. Dude, back here, kind of shit.
We should have brought an extra flashlight. You want to go back and get another one? What did we hit?
Shit, I'm down to go.
Yeah, I'm down to go inside.
I'm not
Holy
really
fucking bugs everywhere. Yeah, let's just go inside. Or maybe go home and get another flashlight.
I think we could go home and grab another flashlight because we can hardly see.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna end the video here for now. Just, I don't know. Presley, just do your magic. Make it blend well.
Awkward outros.
Yes. And like the videos because we're supposed to beg you to join us. I'll just show you. I was up there where it says I don't really know what it says. Yeah, recording on a potato with a flashlight stuck in it.
Where the fuck are you going?
This is actually, should we go through there? Because this also leads out, but it.
I'd be down to go this way. I'm being honest.
Yeah. Because we definitely fucking hit something. Sorry for all the swearing in this video. It's just, holy crap. What happened in there? What did we freaking hit? I don't know. Just kind of want to move on.
Gotta get our bike.
You know what? I'm not going first. I have more.
Matt should go first.
Yeah, Matt should go first, and then Liam, then me. Should go in the order of who has the most life left in them.
So you have the least?
Well, no, it's because
Yeah.
Matt's lived the longest. He's experienced a lot more than me.
Yeah, no way.
You said we were gonna go in. Let's go in.
I've heard talking shit in there.
Yeah, dude, I meet people all the time in here.
Yeah, no, but I don't
Are you
think.
kidding me?
Yeah,
Who've you? Okay, no. We're not doing that.
I met a few people. Like they're all coming on their bikes.
I'm good. I'm fine.